Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Sun transit in Virgo sign from 16th September to 17th October 2020. These 30 days, Sun enter in Virgo sign, which is ruled by Mercury, and Mercury is also in Virgo sign till 22nd of September 2020. So I think 6 days, for 6 days, Sun and Mercury create Budh Aditya Yoga. So I'm going to explain about Sun transit in Virgo for every ascendance. You know very well, my all predictions are based on ascendant sign. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, being a lord of your 5th house, Sun transit in your 6th house, and aspecting 7th aspecting is on your 12th house. First of all, you need to be careful about your health, and those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, Sun in 6th house will help you. If you have a Sun Mahadasha, Sun Antardasha, you will definitely get your job in foreign land, or you will definitely get any type of activity which is linked to foreign land. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but you will able to manage your all expenditures in a nice way. This is a time, if you are apply any type of loan linked with government loan, your loan will click and your past debts will be clear. This is a time when your goodwill will rise and you will earn very good money in your profession. If you are unemployed, you may get job. 6th house Sun transit, because 10th house also a very fruitful house in the terms of employment. It is a very productive house for employment. Those native who are unemployed and you are trying to find a job, this is the right time. Guys, do your best, you will definitely get a job. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants being a lord of your 4th house, Sun transit in your 5th house, and these 30 days will be act like a game changer for you. You feel much relaxed and better, and if you are already investing your money in stock market, you will get very good profits, and you become very spiritual, and you find some spiritual guru. You may start some talking with with spiritual guru, or your intentions are clear, and you will be success in all aspects of your life. If you are in job, you will be satisfied from your performance. If you are in business, your business will be grow, because Sun aspecting is on your 7th house, which is a house of multiple source of earning. Your friends will support you, your family will support you, and you will earn a lot of money from your business. And you may invest your new money in stock market or your business, because this is a time when good fortune started smile for you. Taurus ascendants, for you, Sun being a lord of your 4th house. 4th house is a house of mental peace, mother, family, land, property, and transit in your 5th house in Virgo sign, which is a Dharam Trikon Bhav, which is very good transit. Sun is a natural Karka planet of the 5th house, so you will get a lot of good gains and you will enjoy a lot of peace of mind. You become very spiritual and you start some type of learning, or some type of you may start some type of learning related to science, related to spirituality. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants being a lord of your 3rd house, Sun transit in your 4th house. You need to be careful about your mother health. You need to be careful while talking with your parents, because this is a time when you use some wrong words in front of your family members. This is not a very productive time. You need to be take care of yourself, and you need to be very positive in the terms of every relationship. This is a time when you change your vehicle, you may buy a new vehicle, but overall this 30 days is not very productive as per your expectations. You need to do some hard work, and if you have any good Mahadasha active in your birth chart, you may get success. Otherwise, after struggle, you will achieve milestones. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants being a lord of your 2nd house, Sun transit in your 3rd house, and aspecting is on your 9th house. This is a very good transit for you. Your confidence will be on another height, and your sibling will support you. Short journey makes you happy. You will get a lot of profit for your journeys. Your business will be sky high, and your good fortune started smile for you. New people, new friends will enter in your life, or you may get very good advice from your friends or your siblings, which will be act like a game changer for you if you apply in your life. This is a time when all type of good fortune started smile for you. Cancer ascendants, Sun is in your 3rd house, which will bring a lot of positivity for you. You will be in a great confidence, and you may get a lot of new orders through communication in your if you are businessman. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sandus. Leo Sandus being a lot of your first house, Sun transit in your second house, which is very, very productive transit for you. You may get a lot of money, bundles of money will knock you. Your savings will rise, your family will support you, and you enjoy all type of comforts. Your health will be fine during this transit, and you enjoy very positive energy. And if you are planning to start some new venture, this is a very productive 30 days for you. If you want to start in a new venture with someone in partnership, then this is a time when you will be top, you will be sky high, and good fortune always started smile for you during these 30 days. If you want to start new business, you must start. This is a very productive days for you, and you should touch feet of your father. It will be act like a game changer for you, and your good fortune started smile for you. This is a time when your old desires will be fulfilled and your savings will rise. You will earn money from multiple sources. Unexpected money will knock you. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant being a lord of your 12th house, Sun transit in your first house. You need to be careful. Some over expenditures will irritate you, but you will manage your expenditures in a very nice way, and your self-respect will rise, and your family will support you. You will enjoy very good energy, you will enjoy very good health during this period. If you want to settle in foreign land, then this is a very right time. This 30 days will very promising. Those native who are finding a job in abroad, or you want to settle in abroad, then this 30 days will act like a game changer for you. You must apply, you must find your job. Your all efforts will convert in great success related to foreign activities. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendant being a lord of your 11th house, Sun transit in your 12th house. Be careful while spending your money. This is a time when you spend a lot of money on your luxury. This is a time when unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but overall you will get a lot of good profits, because being a lord of 11th house transit in 12th house, you may get in touch with your old friend from far away place, and you will get a lot of good opportunities from far away place. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, these 30 days are highly beneficial for you. Your family will support you, but over expenditures will irritate you. Your savings will be unbalanced. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendant being a lord of your 10th house, Sun transit in your 11th house. This is a highly productive 30 days for you. You will get a lot of earning from multiple sources. Your goodwill will rise. You will get name, fame, prosperity. Good fortune started smile for you. Elder siblings will support you. Your friends will support you. Your families will support you. Your all desires will be fulfilled. Your all wishes will be fulfilled. These 30 days act a biggest game changer for you, when your reputation will grow, and you may start a new business with someone, and your all desires and wishes will be fulfilled. If you have a Sun Mahadasha, then this is a very, very productive 30 days for you. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant being a lord of your 9th house, Sun transit in your 10th house. These 30 days, if you're finding a new job, you will get new job with good salary hike. This is a time when your profession will be sky high, and you will promoted mouth to mouth publicity. Automatically you will get very good orders in your business. If you are connected with foreign land in any import export business, you will get a lot of finances. There's a strong chances you may sign new documents, new contract linked with foreign land, and you may involve in any type of foreign activity which will give you huge amount of money. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you. Trikona Malik, 9th Lord, is in your 10th house. This is a highly beneficial period for you. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendant being a lord of your 8th house, Sun transit in your 9th house. You need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful about your health, and but 9th house is a very good house for Sun transit. Your good fortune started smile for you, and professionally you will grow a lot. Some unexpected money will knock you, and you will start some learning related to occult science. This is a time when you become very spiritual, and you may go to any religious activity or any religious journey. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendant being a lord of your 7th house, Sun transit in your 8th house. Be careful about your health. Be careful about relationship with your spouse. Don't argument with anyone in your family, with your family members. This is a time when you take any wrong decision in a very tough, you may take any wrong decision in a very without any positive intentions. This is a time, don't invest your money in real estate or don't invest your money for long term, these 30 days will not very productive for you, and especially health of your spouse will be matter of concern, and you are also suffering from stomach related problem or backbone related trouble. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Pisces ascendants being a lord of your 6th house, sun transit in your 7th house. Be careful while dealing with your spouse. Relationship with your spouse will be matter of concern. This is a time when new business partner will approach you, and you will get a lot of opportunity related to your job or business. If you are in job, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. If you are a businessman, you will get a lot of money, and your earning will be sky high. You will get a lot of good opportunities through your business or profession. And this is a time if you want to invest your money in your business or you want to expand your business. This is a very fruitful period for you. So, guys, must consult with your nearest astrologer to know about which type of sun placement in your birth chart and which planet Mahadasha active right now in your birth chart. Know more about sun transit in Virgo sign. Visit my website www.akastrologizone.com and must subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you. Namaskar. Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind.